Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to contact Sure customer service. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so for this demonstration, I'm going to open up a web page, and in the Google search box I'm going to type in Sure contact us and then hit enter. Now you'll be brought to Google search results. Now from here I want to click onto contact information and hours of availability. So it's got sure.ca. So click into that web page. So now you're on the contact us page of Sure. So scroll down and that will say the best way to reach us. So from technical support to choosing the perfect plan, we're available every day of the week. So connect with us during these hours here. So if you want to have a look at what hours they are available to chat with. So I'm going to give this a few moments to load. So this is all the hours of operation. So pause this video or even just go to the site and check it out yourself. Alright, so I'll close that. And now to chat with them online, click on chat with us online. A little box should appear here. And now type in your message and you can chat with Sure online.